y'all, welcome back to the channel, man. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, like the video. I appreciate you for returning. All love and support is much appreciated. Let's get into today's video, man. All right, so the last video I uploaded, I was installing the shift knob and doing a couple of interior touching up, right? And I mentioned in that video that I'm waiting on a dash cam that I ordered, right? Now, this dash cam is made by Aemtuners, and in the middle of me installing the shift knob, the dash cam came. I told you I was going to leave for a separate video and make a review on it. Now, this is this video today, or whenever you're watching this, right? So, this camera is from Aemtuners. I'm going to leave the link in the description. No, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this on my own because I needed a dash cam, and for the price, it's not that bad for the price. You know what I mean? So I'll leave the link in the description. Y'all can go check it out, and you do what you do, make that decision if you want it or not. So as I said, this dash cam worked for 2018 and to 2023 Toyota Camrys. I believe they're called 8THGENs. This is 8THGEN, yeah. From 2018 to 23, yeah, that's 8THGENs. So every 8THGEN Camry, this should work with no problem. So this is literally the dash cam right here. It's already installed. The camera's on the front right there. It's really plug and play. It's easy to install. I ran everything through under here. All you gotta do is plop this down, pop this open, and take it off. There's gonna be clips on the inside of this, on the original piece I should say, that she should put on the camera part. So once you take the original OEM piece off, there's gonna be some clips. Make sure you attach the clips to the side on inside of this, and you'll clip it right back on after you plug your wires in. Now, as I said, it's plug and play, easy to install. Probably the best investment I ever made. And it's literally blends in so well, you can't even tell. Like, you can't even tell it's a camera unless you know what it is, or you look and see the lens. You feel me? So it's not that bad. I like it from the looks. For the price, it's definitely not bad at all. So I just showed you how the camera sits after the installation. It's plug and play. It's easy to install. You can install. You won't have no problem at all. If you have a problem with it, I guess seek professional help. But I'm not a professional, so I'm not about to go over a whole installation. It's plug and play, as I said. I ran everything to the top. If you want to do that, you could do that. If you find the other way to do it, then hey, that's good for you also. But I'm gonna throw in a clip of me driving through the daytime, and I'm gonna throw in a clip of me driving through the nighttime. The quality is definitely not bad. It's 2K, it's not 4K. It comes with a 32GB storage, so that's not that bad. The app for this is gonna be Vidor, however you want to pronounce this shit. I'm gonna show you the app right about here. So download this app on the App Store. This is what the app look like during the daytime while driving. The quality is still good. Quick note, while you're driving, the app still works. You can see everything while driving. I don't recommend you doing it, but for the sole purpose of the video, I had to do it. This is a nighttime view. Quality is still good. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can go get yours. Not a sponsored video. Now let's get into setting up the app and all you need to know about the app. So far, once you download the app on your phone, the device name is at the bottom of the screen. You're gonna go to your Wi-Fi settings in your phone and connect your phone to the device. Quick note, for you to connect to the device or see any video, you have to be in your car, and your car has to be on and you're connected to the camera. If you're not, you won't see none of the videos unless you already saved and downloaded the videos. All right, so once you're connected to the camera, it's going to automatically connect you to the camera once you click on the device name because of the default password. Once you're connected, that's what it looked like, and then you're going to go into the camera settings where you can change anything you want to change up. Note, the quality is still going to stay 2K. You can't go any higher than that. The password, once you put a new password in, right, it's going to disconnect you from the device. Once you're disconnected from the device, go back into your Wi-Fi settings, do the same process over again, but this time you're putting in the password that you created so you can connect back to the device. Once you're connected back to the device, go to the camera files where you can see all your videos. You're gonna have videos in loop, and you're gonna also have videos in the lock section, which is at the middle top right of the screen. Once you find the clip that you want or need, you're gonna click on it, and it's gonna give you, I think it's an option to download or save. I'm not sure which one it was. I don't remember off the top of my head, but it's either download or save. Once you do that, the video is going to automatically be put into the album tab off the app. You see album tab at the bottom of the screen? That's where the video is going to be located at, where you can pull it out and have it in your phone. You don't have to be connected to the device to see. Once you download the video, you don't have to be connected to the device to see the video. You know what I mean? So that's the best part about it. So I just explained everything to the best of my abilities. But that's pretty much it. It's really simple to work with. The camera is not that hard to use. As I said, you can't get your clips unless you're connected to the camera. So in order for you to have your clips, make sure the car is turned on and connected to the camera, then you can see everything. If you got the video saved and everything, then you go to the album like I showed you and you can get it. But for you to see all your clips, you got to be connected to the camera. So if this video helped you out, man, like the video, subscribe up. This is not a review channel, so I'm not going to do a lot of review unless it's recommended. But for the most part, that's all I got to explain to y'all, man. It's really plug and play. So if y'all want to go get y'all cameras, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Thank you for tuning in today's video, man. I'm out.
I just like the sound.